Yoni, adequately good. Zlatan, YC, Dotman, Young John, Fuse, Fireboy, Asake. You know how many people shook? There are all of us shook. My son, first song, he called me for food for Instagram. Come, he took me to another state.
Hello guys, Zlatan actually make a video thanking Olamide for helping him and other celebrities. He mentioned plenty names including Adekunle Gold, Asake, Fireboy and many more. I will allow you to watch the rest of the video, and please, if this is your first time in my YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos like this.
Yoni, adequately good. Zlatan, YC, Dotman, Young John, Fuse, Fireboy, Asake. You know how many people shook? There are all of us shook. My son, first song, he called me for food for Instagram. Come, he took me to another state. Till I was recording, I didn't believe I was gonna record that song. It's changed my life, bro. It changed my career to today, bro. Me, I've helped people. But dude, you will never say two things about it or capping about it. You will never say one thing.